Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. In today's video I'll be sharing my weekly kitchen cleaning routine. So I normally clean my kitchen on a Friday night, as it sounds a bit weird, but I find it quite therapeutic to end the working week and then can enjoy coming down Saturday morning to a clean kitchen. I really hope that you enjoy this video. It gives you some motivation to get your kitchen clean and sparkling, and if you do, then make sure to subscribe and like if you like this kind of content. This is the state of the kitchen at the minute. We've just finished dinner, so yeah, you can see I've still got the plates out, so I need to tidy up. Yeah, I just need to give the kitchen a really good clean so it's nice and fresh when I come down Saturday morning, and it's already getting on for 9 o'clock, so hopefully this isn't going to take me too long. As always when I'm cleaning, I start with a list, which really helps keep me focused and stops me procrastinating. I also really enjoy ticking things off when I've done them. Initially I need to clear away from dinner, place everything in the dishwasher and then wash anything up that can't go in.
Small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our mind.
Once I've done all of the washing up, I desperately need to clean the microwave. It's absolutely filthy just from spillages, and I find the best way to do this is just to pop a few lemon slices in some water in a microwavable bowl. Pop it in the microwave for around 5 minutes or so, and this will basically create a lemon steam in the microwave and make it super easy to wipe away. Whilst the lemon is working its magic in the microwave, I moved on to cleaning the hob, which I will wipe down most evenings after we've had dinner, but then I like to give it a proper clean once a week. So I remove all of the burners and then I'll leave them to soak, and then just use my mini dustpan and brush to remove the bigger like bits and stuff before cleaning it with Cif cream cleaner and a minky. Once I've wiped the Cif away, I then go in with Cif stainless steel to finish it off and give it a nice streak-free shine. Any products or appliances that I am using today, then I will link in the description box down below for you.
Be a weekend lover, yeah, I'ma be the best damn lover you got. I wanna mess up your covers. I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how I've been. Remember why you have my number.
The microwave has just finished and created lots of steam, which made it super easy to wipe down, and it smelled nice and fresh too. I also need to give the sink a good clean, and I just follow exactly the same method that I use to clean the hob, using the same products and everything as well, because obviously this is stainless steel.
I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine, I'll show what you can do. Make a move, the way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
To finish off the sink, I just poured some bicarb of soda down the plug hole, just added some white vinegar, and this then creates a bit of a fizz, and then that will just clear any odours and also naturally disinfects down the sink. I then just finish it off by pouring boiling water down the sink. Next on my list is to clean the kitchen cupboards, and to do this I use a solution in my spray bottle that I just make up myself, where I just add some Flora and then dilute it with a little bit of water. So I do try to do this most weeks, and I'm always surprised at just how dirty the cupboards can get, especially around near the hob and the dishwasher area, and honestly, giving the cupboards a quick clean, it feels like it makes such a big difference.
I see you standing there, a soothing atmosphere. Smell of your aftershave, sweet blossom in the rain. You flip around your hair as if you're unaware, but you should know that I'm looking at you. You make me feel like I'm made of colors, just you and me, ignore the others. Do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause I do.
With all of the cupboards done, I then use my Pledge fluffy duster to dust the shelves in the utility room and in the kitchen. Once a week when I'm cleaning the kitchen, I make sure that I move everything out, so when I'm cleaning behind the coffee machine and the bread bin, because I often find during the week when you're just cleaning quickly, these are the areas that you can often forget about. And then I'll just use a multi-purpose spray, so I'm just using the Method one to clean and disinfect the sides. With the sides all done, one of the last areas that needs sorting is the table, which I feel just always becomes a bit of a dumping ground no matter how hard I try to keep it clear. I did actually recently put this storage unit in here under the TV, which is actually a shoe storage unit which I got from IKEA, and it works perfectly for storing like placemats and other items in there. I'm almost there, the end is in sight, so we'll basically vacuum the floor, again making sure that I really get into the corners, move everything out of the way. So pull the sofa out, pull the chairs out, and I actually really love the fact that this vacuum has the lights on it, and it basically lights up on the floor. It makes it really easy to see bits of dirt and debris that, to be honest, I would probably otherwise miss.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
My final job is to mop the floor, and I'm using the Vileader spin mop, which I basically love, and I'll just add a cap full of Cif floor cleaner, and I find that this cleans my floor really well. It doesn't leave any stickiness like some mops or cleaners do, and it leaves it completely streak free.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
And there we have it. The kitchen is finally nice and clean. It smells good as well. I feel like this floor cleaner smells amazing. So now I'm just going to relax for the evening, probably go and have a bath. But yeah, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it's given you some inspiration to clean your kitchen, because there is no better feeling than coming down on a Saturday morning and coming down to a nice clean kitchen. As always, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you again soon. Bye!
Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?